Welcome to Whiteboard Marketing, and let's talk about effects a high bounce rate has over your website. If you don't know what is a bounce rate or you want to revise it, be sure to check a link in the description. So going on with this video, first and foremost effect, and many bloggers and website owners ask themselves that is my ranking affected or not? If your bounce rate is high, it will signal Google that the content inside may not be of high quality. Naturally, Google won't want to bring its consumers to a poor quality page. Thus, it will rank lower, basically for fewer people to discover it. Number 2, reduce time spent on your website. You want people to stay on your website and go through its content. In the end, you spend time and money creating it, right? And if people made the first step to come to your website, you've already caught their attention, which is the most difficult part of the marketing today. You want to ensure that they stay longer and go through the content you have to offer. To ensure this, do make sure that interconnection of your pages are well done and offer good navigation structure to its users. Number 3, do your check. You must ensure that some key factors are avoided to see the rise in bounce rate. This includes slow loading speed of the web page, or low quality design of the web page, or mismatch between the content and the keywords, and lastly the most popular one, poor mobile optimization. In the end, do remember that all the problems discussed are fixable. With that, I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the future updates.